All right, guys, we got you guys a 2006 Honda Accord V6 3.0 6-speed standard. They're very rare. You barely see them 6-speed standard. Got the factory converters in the manifolds, got a secondary converter there. We did a resonator delete and a secondary resonator delete. And a muffler delete was done earlier in the year. I don't know if we did it or another shop, I do not remember. And then he reused his own tips there and there. As you guys can see, it is completely straight piped, other than the Kelly converters. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. Nothing beats standard, man.
Nothing beats it, man.
Wow, that sounds good. Sound decibel wise again? 109. That's not bad. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Let you guys hear on the Tim's got it, I think. Yeah, he got it. Beast mode in a Honda. Yeah.